Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn some new text functions in Excel. Those are find function, substitute function, upper function, lower function, and proper function. So let's see all these functions one by one. Before that, I would like to request you please like and share my YouTube channel. Okay. So let's start. First, we are going to see the find function. So basic use of find function is to find a particular string within a main string. Okay. So consider that one paragraph is given over there, and you want to particular find a particular word into that paragraph. So you have to be uh, use the find function. So let's see over here. The string or the text is given over here. That is our channel name, Guruji Education Wala. Okay. The formula for find function is find into the bracket find text. Whatever may be the text you want to find, you have to be mention that text in a first position. After that, you have to be mention the other text in which you want to find the first text. Okay. So the text is given over here, Guruji Education Wala. Consider that we want to find out the text WALA Wala. Okay, from this particular text. So when this word is find, it will return the first character location of W. Okay, whatever it may be 15, 16, 17. From the starting of the string, it will return that numeric value. Okay, if that particular word is present in the given text, then it will return, otherwise it will return a value error. Okay, let's find it out. And whenever we are going to use this formula and you are going to enter the find text, it will be the case sensitive. Okay, if uh, we are going to find the word WALA, in that we have to mention capital W. Okay, then and then it will be return the first character position of the string. So let's start our formula. Equal to, then find. Okay, we have to mention the text. Whenever we are going to enter any text, you have to be enter those text within double quotes. So double quotes start WALA. Okay, Wala, then double quotes complete. So this word or this text I want to find within a particular text. So my text is mentioned in this cell. So I will provide this cell reference, that is C5. So C5 is provided over there. Now I am going to press enter. So it will return the 17. Okay, it will return the 17. So 17 is the starting the character location of W. Okay, whenever you are going to count this characters from left side, so the W will be you will find the W at 17th position. Okay, in the same formula, uh, I am going to find out the same word. Okay, find before in first formula we were find W in capital. Right now we are going to find W in small letters. Wala, double quotes complete, comma, C5. Okay, bracket close. Now see what it will returns. So it will returns the value error. Okay, so keep it in mind. If it find the text in a particular given text, then it will return the starting character position of a particular text. Okay, again find in double quotes WALA. Okay, bracket close, comma, C5, bracket close. So 17 is the starting position of a text which is start from capital W and it is the 17. Okay. I hope you understand the find function. The next one is the substitute function. As the name suggests, substitute function will substitute a particular text in a given text. Okay. So here is the formula or function definition. First we have to write the substitute, then bracket open, then text. Text means in which text you want to replace a particular text. So in text we are going to supply our text, that is Guruji education wala. Then old text, suppose here we want to replace Guruji with Sarji. Okay. uh, do you understand? Here in this text where we want to replace the old word Guruji with a new word Sarji. So in old text we have to mention Guruji and in new text we have to pass Sarji. Okay. So let's start the function is equal to substitute, okay, in bracket. So the first text is we have to pass. So our text is in mention over here. Okay, this is C8. So I am going to type C8, the text reference cell, in comma old text. Old text is Guruji. Okay, it is also case sensitive. Then we are replacing this Guruji with Sarji. Okay, Sarji education wala, and now bracket close. Okay, so again I am repeating the things. First we have to mention the function name, then the text. If you have text you can type complete text over here. I have text in a particular cell, so I am going to mention the cell reference over here. Then comma. So first you have to pass the word which you want to replace. Okay, we want to replace Guruji. Okay, and the next text you have to pass with which you have to replace a old text. So here we want to replace Guruji with Sarji. So I am going to press enter. Okay. So you have seen our output is Sarji education wala. Okay. Our Guruji is replaced with Sarji. Okay. So this is a simple formula. You can use it and you can apply it. Okay. The next one is upper function. So basic use of upper function is to convert the text in uppercase characters. Okay, whatever maybe the text is given, if you are going to apply the upper function on that text, the complete text is converted to the upper function or upper characters. So the formula is upper into the bracket, you have to enter a particular text or you have to enter the cell reference in which that particular text is mentioned or written. So again we are going to type the formula is equal to upper, okay, into the bracket. We are going to mention the cell reference, that is CL11. Now you are seeing that Guruji education wala. So Guru G, E and W is in capital letters. All are the small letters. Now we are going to apply the upper function on this cell. So each and every character will be converted to the uppercase characters. So see, so you will see the effect. So Guruji education wala is converted to the uppercase characters. Okay, and similar the lowercase characters. When you are going to apply the lower function onto a particular text or a particular cell, all the characters or all the text characters will be converted to the lowercase characters. Okay, so let's see is equal to lower into the bracket. Either you can mention the text or you have to mention the cell reference. So we are going to mention the cell reference C14 bracket close. Now enter. After pressing the enter, all the characters in Guruji Education Wala will be converted to the lowercase. In here you have seen that G, E and W are in capital letters. Okay, so all the letters are converted to the lowercase characters. The next one is proper case. In proper case, whatever may be the text are given over there. So in a particular text, the words, okay, Guruji and Education Wala, these are the two words in our text. So first letter of each word will convert to the capital letters and other are in the small letters or small characters. Okay, so here G, E and W, all these words are in capital letters, but Education Wala is one word. So this W will be converted to the lowercase character. Okay, so function is proper and you have to pass the text or the cell reference over here. So again we are going to type our function over here is equal to proper. Okay, then bracket open, we are going to pass the cell reference, that is C17, bracket close, and now see the output. Guruji Education Wala, this W is converted to the lowercase character. This is the particular use of proper case. Okay, if you want to keep the first characters in a capital letters, so you have to use the proper case. Okay, if you want to convert all the characters into a lowercase, then you have to use the lowercase, and vice versa. If you want to convert all the characters in uppercase, so at that time you have to use the upper function. So I hope you all understand these functions. So if you have any queries and if you want more videos on a particular topic, you can mention down the comment, and please do like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.